To calibrate the Radonix system, we'll press this section here, and initially the Z-axis, though it doesn't really make a big difference. We'll bring this particular section up to 20 so the speed can increase. Then we'll take a measurement of a fixed jaw. Go ahead and measure it.
Yes.
All right, man, just hit it somewhere. Let me see. What's the reading?
91.
91, that is 9 centimeters and 1. So we'll input 91 right here, and then we'll start. Following that, we will initiate our downward movement.
It's coming down.
We'll measure that very same constant section of ours again.
100.
And 90. Once again, after this particular segment, we will hit 190. The Z-axis was calibrated. Now the axis, X. For this section, we're going to speed things up a little bit. To determine the X-axis, we must first establish a specific fixed segment.
We should set a standard for ourselves.
73, 73.
How much?
We're heading towards a bad end again.
$73.
73, we're gonna write down the number 73, start. Let's press the button to get it going again.
He keeps moving it. He keeps taking it, taking it, taking it.
We're going to extend ourselves to the very limit of what's possible to eliminate the maximum amount of error, okay? So go take the measurement. That's 1,722, 1,722. We'll come right over here and write down 1,722. The X-axis has been calibrated as well. Now we'll proceed with the Y-axis. Give me an estimation.
Immobile jaw.
59. 59. So what we're gonna do is write down the number 59 right here.
All right, let's get this started. I'm going to make sure this one is perfect, 100%.
Again, the limit.
Now take a measurement. $2,641. 2,000. We are writing it right here.
2,641.
This one has also been calibrated.